wanted to share some lock picking tools I got here for a really good price, and some for not a good price. I got some, good high quality pinning tweezers, from a lock picking or a key supply company, and these were like $30. It's got the removable pinning needle here. Comes in handy, comes off, but $30, Now I found a place, I don't work for these people, but it's called Harbor Freight Tools. Now, they're happened to be close to my house, so I just went over there, but online their stuff was so cheap and they had coupons. These pinning pliers with all these replaceable, or the C-clip removers with all these different heads here, the lifetime warranty was $3.99. Stainless steel tweezers. Spent $30 for these. All these, this one has a locks in place. All these stainless steel tweezers. $4.99. These Allen, I got some Allen folding and star, metric and SAE. 3-piece folding sets here. These are those little funky star ones, the security ones. 3-piece set. I think that was under $5 too. I think it was $4.99 or $3.99 anyway. There it is. $6.99, my bad. So all three of those for $6.99. And this micrometer with 2 batteries. It's digital. And it does the metric and fractions, inches, everything. I used it on, measured some security pins out of my pinning kit, and it was dead on. And this thing was on sale for $19.99, plus it had a $9 off coupon, so it was only $10.99 for this thing. Unbelievable. So it was $10.99. These were under $5 each. This was $5 or $6 compared to these for $30. I got all that. Well, just showing you guys, you don't have to spend a lot of money to get some good deals. So that's harborfreighttools.com, I think is the website name. So if you need some Allen wrenches, tweezers, stainless steels. Man, they just got a lot of tools, and a lot of them have lifetime warranties, and they're really good prices. So I just wanted to share the deal with you lock pickers out there, and anyone else who needs some tools like this. So I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching.